So when you're learning how to draw, you're really learning how to see. And what I mean by that is that if we look at this little still life that I set up, what we're looking at when we start to look at value, the concept of value, or often called shading, although shading is a little bit different, we're looking at trying to draw everything accurately and how the light is hitting these objects. So I actually like to use white objects when I'm teaching beginner drawers because what it does is it shows this concept of value really well. So for example, if you asked what is the lightest, if you looked at this, where's the lightest areas? You might say up over here, that's really light. You might say up over here. And then where are the midtones? You'd probably say in here, there's a lot of midtones, but this is a midtone, but a little bit darker. This is really dark. So the idea is that you want to think about value kind of as a scale from lightest to darkest, and you're trying to draw everything all in between. So let me know if that makes sense, but this is going to be the first of several videos on understanding how to look at a little still life and understand, well, what should I make? You know, it might be pretty obvious that this is a white object, but you're looking at how the light is hitting it, right? Because the light's, coming from outside and comes in and it hits up here, making this darker and this your shadow. And this is all light over here. So when you go to your drawing, you want to be thinking about what the light source is. And this was a different still life that I had done, a couple different little pumpkins. They were at the window. And so, these areas here are all light and this is darker. This becomes in shadow because the object is kind of like hitting over and making that shadow. There's light areas at the top.